Hello captains and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing an unboxing, the triple unboxing. There's 3 models in here. If you've seen my Hong Kong one, I did mention it. So these are from AMS and it will be in 3 parts because it's 3 different models. And the GSE, ground stationary equipment. So basically like the fire truck and the baggage carts and stuff. There we go. Just came today. This is of course pre-recorded piece of paper. Yep. So there's 2 Phoenix models and 1 NG. Whoa! So much down paper. What a waste. Ah, there we go. There's the. That's 1 model. Oh, hang on. There are the accessories. I know it's 1,500, but I will explain in the video. Here is 3rd model, and then the 4th one. Oh, the biggest box. Okay, so these are the four things. So in this part 1, I will not be unboxing the GSE. Part 1, we are unboxing the NG 737. I bought this for my Moscow airport, and anyways, Jet2, I did fly with them once, and it's quite a good airline. It's like a holiday carrier, so they take you to all the different holiday destinations. Let's review. So Boeing 737 at the top, the photo friendly loafers. They have a ton of the 737s. Jet2 registration Golf dash Juliet Zulu Hotel Golf. NG 1400. NG, I have a good opinion about them. All the 737s I got so far were fine. Yeah, seems good. Let's hope. Yeah, easy to open, not like my Hong Kong A330. Take the plastic off, and yes. Okay. Yep. Seems just fine. Seems fine. So the other videos, I will be posting them as well, but this model is mainly for Moscow. I'll be restarting the model airports. I will explain all that in another video. But for now, let's zoom it in a bit more. Point the camera at the right angle. Sorry for that. Okay, so on the top we have the cockpit windows, the nose, then the name of the plane, I guess. It says Jet2 Naples. So Naples is a city in Italy, the name of this plane. Jet2 title is the front landing gear. Jet2 dot covered the engine. Sorry for the little bit of a bad quality. Great package holidays. Jet2 on the winglet there. Great shade they chose of the color. Registration once again in Golf dash Juliet Zulu Hotel Golf. The things of the wing, I forgot what they're called. The stabilizer, Jet2 on the tail. At the underside we have the gear, very nice. All the detail, there's the antennas and everything. It was quite expensive, this model. I could have had 2 models for the price of this one, but I'm happy with it. Seems good. Very nice NG. Good job. It will look great in my collection. There we go. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll be posting the other two now. So see you in the next unboxing. Goodbye.